So today's video, before I start unboxing everything, I want to mention Emperor's Home. So Emperor's Home is a brand where they sell a bunch of comforters, bed sheetings, pillowcases, and I want to share that today. So you guys can't really see, but I am sitting on the duvet cover, which you guys can't see, but I will insert some videos because this home is kind of messy here. I have a bunch of boxes, but I want to show you guys some of their products, and I really love it so much, and I'm super excited because I chose a duvet cover that matches the background of the Dior packaging. So the set that I chose is called Egyptian Cotton Premium Chic Luxury Embroidery Duvet Cover Set. So there are two styles. You could choose the flat bed sheet or the fitted bed sheet, and for me I chose the fitted version. So this one is the Queen 4-piece. So my set came in 4 pieces. There's also the King 4-piece, Queen 7-piece, or King 7-piece, but I chose the Queen 4-piece. So it comes with 2 pillowcases, and it also comes with a duvet cover or a bed sheet or fitted sheet. So I chose the fitted sheet. So on the bottom is just a white fitted sheet, just to cover up your bed to lay on. And then I also have the duvet cover, which is so beautiful. It is gold, such an elegant design. I love the design I chose because it's white and gold, and it also matches my Dior like packaging and just feels so elegant. I feel like a queen laying on this duvet cover. I mean, the design is so beautiful, and like I said, it comes with 2 pillowcases. So I have my pillow here, and here is the beautiful pillowcase. It's white and it's gold. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful. I love the design right here. And this design is just so stunning and very elegant. So Emperor's Home is 100% natural Egyptian cotton. So this material is very soft, and it has longer and stronger threads, meaning it's more durable. Also, it is skin friendly and there's no odor on it as well. It smells amazing once you wash it, and it's very easy to put on the pillowcase as well. It's not zipper, but it closes in the back like this, and it's very easy to put on. So here's the opening and the closing. You just fold it in. Very easy. And yeah, this is just such a beautiful pillowcase, and I'm very happy about it. Super soft, very smooth, and very elegant. Also, they have a lot of fashionable pattern designs. Me, I just chose the simple one, but it's very elegant. It's white and gold, very beautiful, and I just, like I said, I feel like a queen because of this duvet cover and the pillowcase, this color as well, and I love that it matches with the packaging. Also, it is easy care. It is hand or machine washable. So yeah, I'll put the pillowcase right behind me. I am, like I said, sitting on the duvet cover, and I chose the fitted one. And like I said, it comes with 2 pillowcases. So I have another pillowcase here. I only have 1 pillow, but there is an extra one just in case I needed to wash this one. Then I can use my other one. Like I said, it's super beautiful, very pretty, and I highly recommend it. Also, I have a code for you guys if you guys are interested. My code is TRISHTRIN for 5% off. I'll link it down below. So thank you to Emperor's Home for sending me your duvet covers to review, and I love them so much. It just matches perfectly in my room and with the Dior packaging.